Welcome to our tutorial on navigating and utilizing the roomvu content calendar for your marketing needs. This guide is designed to streamline the setup process, allowing you to efficiently manage your posts. In the left sidebar, navigate to the Content Calendar option to find your calendar and all scheduled posts. To integrate your social media channels, proceed to the top right corner and select Connect More Socials. This will allow you to connect to more platforms like YouTube and WordPress. After closing the social media connection window, move to Content Settings and click Edit. Under the Location tab, define your primary city and submarkets to generate hyper-local content for your calendar. Paid plan subscribers have the added advantage of selecting a secondary city for content creation. You can specify the quantity for each content type in the Content Settings area. To avoid overwhelming your audience, aim for a total of at most 7 pieces per week. Additionally, you can manage your listings and opt in for local and national event content and Spanish content for certain regions, if applicable. This section also allows you to customize your content sources. If you prefer to exclude specific sources, you can insert their URLs here. You can delete this setting later if you change your mind. The final section, Hashtags, comes preloaded with relevant hashtags for your area. However, you can customize this list by adding or removing tags to best suit your strategy. You can also add your own hashtags in this section. In the next field, write a general personal video caption crafted to be applicable across various content types. roomvu actively schedules and shares content for you, but the platform also supports adding manual content. By selecting Add Content above your calendar, you can introduce additional roomvu-generated videos, market news images for social media stories, and lead-generating landing pages. Moreover, you can upload your videos and images for inclusion in your calendar. Have you encountered an engaging news piece? Submit its link, and our system will create a post for your review. You can edit the caption, schedule the timing, and finalize its inclusion in your calendar. And this is how you set up your calendar. Make sure you reach out if you have any questions. Happy sharing!